In today's video, discover essential kitchen gadgets for quick and easy cooking. The 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable cutter set swiftly cuts veggies, while the dry fruit cutter and slicer are perfect for slicing and chopping dry fruits. The Geedel Grips vegetable chopper, Magic Bullet blender, and Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater are also featured. Let's explore these must-have kitchen tools in detail. Discover the Lowdown 4-in-1 portable electric vegetable cutter set, a versatile kitchen tool streamlining food prep with slicing, crushing, peeling, and cleaning functions. It's ergonomic, durable, and allows ingredient additions during operation. The transparent container ensures stability, and one-button cleaning simplifies maintenance. Effortlessly prepare dry fruits with our kitchen gadget, the dry fruit cutter and slicer. This versatile tool features an almond slicer cutter and dry fruit graters for efficient slicing and grating. Adjustable thickness settings ensure precision, while safety features prioritize your well-being. Crafted with durable materials, this gadget is easy to clean and boasts a compact design for convenient storage. Elevate your culinary experience with this essential kitchen companion, making slicing and chopping dry fruits a breeze.
Geedel Grips vegetable chopper efficiently handles chopping onions, celery, carrots, and more. Its stainless steel blade and rotating knob ensure safe, swift chopping. A measurement-marked catcher cup adds convenience. Easy to use and clean, it's a valuable kitchen addition. Follow usage guidelines for longevity. Subscribe to SJSiddiqui's YouTube for reviews.
Magic Bullet blender, a compact powerhouse that delivers exceptional blending performance in a sleek black design. This 11-piece set includes everything you need for versatile food prep, from smoothies to chopping veggies. Its small size fits any kitchen space, making it a must-have for on-the-go lifestyles. Experience convenience and efficiency with the Magic Bullet blender today. Transform your kitchen routine with the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater. This versatile device features a kitchen mandolin vegetable slicer with 3 interchangeable blades, perfectly suited for fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Its effortless cleaning design enhances overall convenience, making food preparation a breeze. Elevate your culinary adventures by incorporating this user-friendly and efficient grater into your kitchen repertoire.